Hello friends, in this session we are going to discuss the concept of globals. So as discussed, under namespace we can access both local as well as global variables. In previous session we discussed how to access local variables of a function. Now in this session we are going to discuss how we can access the value of globals. In order to access the value of globals, we have a function with name called as globals. And globals is actually used to access the value of global variables, and anything which is defined and declared at level 0 can be accessed through function globals. It means I can use globals to access the global variables at level 0. Here I am using globals function to access all global variables defined in this code. So if I run this portion of the code, you can see that everything which is defined at level 0 will be captured by globals. So if you look closely at level 0, I am defining this function addition, then I am defining this function main, and here this is just calling. If we use globals at this point, it will help me to access the value of this addition function as well as main function. Now the question is what value they have. The value for this function is its memory address, and similarly the value for main will be its memory address. It is important to note that when you check the list of globals, it will also provide some more variables which are internally defined by Python. But at this point, it is important to note that along with those internal variables, it will also provide us the value for this function's definition, this function addition as well as main, because they are defined at level 0. Now the question is whether it will provide me the value of all these variables like second number, first number, result, f number, s number, and so on. So if you closely look these variables, they are all defined within the function and they are not declared at level 0. Level 0 means declared without any indentation. They are all indented. So their scope is only limited to here for function main and here for function addition. So we don't have any variable which is of global scope, because we have no variable which is declared at level 0. So only main and addition function are defined at level 0. So it will provide me these values. In order to simplify the output, let's make these statements as comment. Here I have only two print statements, one for printing the sum and second for printing my global variables. Let us execute this code to see its output. So I recommend to start the kernel so that we can refresh all the variables. So let's rerun this code. First number is, let's suppose 3, second number is 2. So you can see that this is the output for this code. So the output is quite long, so don't get confused with that. So as I mentioned, here it is first number 3, second number is 2, and this is 5 as a output, which is due to this print sum. And after this is the output of globals. So here it defines all global variables which are defined internally by Python, and along with that, in the end, please refer this list. In the end you will be getting these two functions. One is the addition, the function addition at this memory location. So this is the value where this function is defined in the memory, and second is the main, and this is defined at this memory location. So it is providing me two functions in the end. One is addition and second is main. These are globals, and it also provides their value, which is their memory address in which they are stored. Okay, let us extend this code by defining a variable a equal to 2 at this level. So here I am defining a equal to 2, and if I execute this code, you can see that this a equal to 2 is a global variable, and this is declared at a level 0 without any indentation. At this point, how many variables this global will capture? Along with other internal variables, this time it will capture a equal to 2, then addition function, then main function. Let us refresh this kernel and execute these lines of code. First number, 2, second 3. So now at this point you can see we are getting 3 variables in the end for globals. One is a equal to 2, this is addition, and this is main. So I hope you got my point, that globals will able to provide us all the global variables which are declared at level 0. So along with global variable, it also provide you the information about the functions. Okay, in the end, let's make one more change. So let's suppose c equal to 3 is defined here, and now I'm using this locals 2. So can you tell me what will be the output for this locals? It is appearing under addition, so it will provide me all the local variables for this addition function. How many local variables we have at this point? This is first number, second number, then result, and this time we have also one more variable, that is c equal to 3. So it will be providing me 1, 2, 3 and 4 variables, while a equal to 2 will appear under globals. Let us rerun this code to check its output. Enter first number, second number. So yeah, we have this output. So you can see local variables for addition are first number, which is 2, second number 3, result 5, and c equal to 3. So yes, so we are getting one more local variable this time, which is c equal to 3. So c is a local variable while a is a global variable, and c is a local variable under addition. So you can see that here we are accessing 5 variable, first number, second number, result, and c, and these are their values. And finally, if you go in the end, you will able to find global variables and functions. A equal to 2, which is global variable, with function addition and main. So I hope that with this discussion you have a clear idea about locals and globals. This is all about functions and its namespace. Thanks for watching this video, and in next session we will be starting with new topic, that is accumulators. Thanks for watching this video. God bless you.